Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel, yeah, of course, I'm the guy like Jimmy the Caterpillar Man of War. I'm doing a King will link, of course, now Benjamin the president. Then from there, I can't tell I gagash. Yeah, so kasi n'wi of course ra 13 ta January mi no fika ni hlamala mani no fika ni hlamala ka page ra JB the Caterpillar Man of War ni fika ni scroll ni fana kuma ku ku na post yo karhi yi nga fika yi va kona a ni zamini ku yima guys just to be sure. So as you can see, posting in 4 hours, as you can see, so if you want to of Africa was on the Svara because of rest in peace. Of course, la Ben President Akwate strong. Kuva I Svara, Yinga Valanko RIP to his brother. Now, of course, I go for Dr. Joshi Reman and stuff like that. Then he asked a question. He posted happy birthday Sivara na. So I was shocked. The post I was shocked. Prior to this man, she won a color. Account if it's happy birthday kalanga the baben. So I was like, man, of what's happening? Sugar confused. Like in Tamian Carola and Garustusen, what's happening? Angava me balo block 1 man of 4 because she end up Africa. Because she got a command, so more Magali session got a command because Magali got clear in Garvaleno. Woman Africa such a page, my page, Yasvara La show, my shield. So I'm TV man of 4 and I'm actually disappointed. The postly I'm disappointed. I'm very disappointed. And Ronka and Rozon, the Caron man of 4, and a rompa me rongo tanya. Go analyze it because Nana men of 4 to combine an analyst who analyze a show and hamban. So Tanishan got some combis or go analyze a shield. So Sarazondo, once we go on Rezondo, Shindagun shit, and Shon. So I don't know what happened. Not shocked. Not shocked to this women of going a won't create the post let it come and page and beer. Like, how come? How is that possible? What am I going to so sugar chicharamen of 4 standard? So, like, if not having follower, I mean, like, come on, because no, okay, of course, it's one again, even nothing base. Yeah, also go Mr. Post. So the sugar should tap her. Say, if I can't appoint another. So men of 4 go back to the wrong board. I read guys, leisure. And then, of course, okay, we can gagash. Yeah, Rosusha gagash, and it was a fair that period December towards January. Could some one other problem to Kulukumbashan, Gagaza in overall. Sama ka kombeso gagashele ntiro mara ene swi tiva ku kusukela na minkarhi of course ya 2022 loko huma beef ya n'wa swigalana hi swi vonile ku na minkarhi yale a ri kaya so from that period swi kombela ku hi la gagash of course a teka ku leave ya yena during that n'hweti liya and stuff like that bona mhaka so video ya kona hi leyi ya kha kombisa ku a swi etlhele ntirhweni
le ka masipala se ni boyini se ni kona na kusebenza boy sevenza tele kufukuza ni forum ya ka masipala tele kutachela win forum ya ka masipala ila ku tirha ntirho wa yona lowu nyikaka vanhu ti-problem to tala van'wani va fila ku ingaku ni ngo heleriwa hi ntirho a wu nge heli as long me ni nga swi lava u nge heli loko no swi lava ni to tshika na tin'hweti tingana ni nga se tshika se a na ha swi lavi no lava leswi ni lavaka swona ta va ni nga lo pepejeriwa kumbe nchumu ni ta va no decide hi wexe so ni kona muntlha na xibamu xa ka masipala lexi xi se ma swi vona ku vutomi a bya ka munhu xikwembu xi yilaka hinkwenu
as I've seen ana xibamu xi kwala I mean like it's big. Oh, very ku rizondo ri ri kona i nge swi koti swi simple ku tirha na swona but gagashi walowo a ha ri ku tirheni ko va na tindlela teti a tirhisaka tona a swi kota ku plana ku loko la yi ri ka December wa swi tiva ku na mali yo tala ngopfu a yi kumaku even from events a tekaku kona leave hi xitalo hi leswi a swi endlisaka swona
ya ni office loko munhu a nyanyuka a ri munhu wa ku vulavula ngopfu na a tindlanga ku tleva ngopfu tekela na nsati va na vavasati vambirhi ni ku tekela nyuma ya le kule leyi u cinca munhu ntiwo ka ha ri riyani bye bye people ndzi ta ni hlamula swin'wana a no endlela ku mi ni vona na vuyini loko ku ri ku moya wa wena wu ri hansi a wu yi henhla loko ku ri a wu ri henhla a wu yi hansi inkomu ni mi rhandza swinene a pfula 17 Thursday xigaza Thursday 17 lifestyle this coming Thursday we are on
hi leswo a swi twarini guys hano swi tala swi vula mhaka yi tliyariwini gaga xi tlheleri ntirhweni wa ha tirha ka masipala hi leswo loko ku ri amukeli za mi subscribe a ni ta kombela mi teka subscribe
van'wani vanhu just because yena a nga swi koti ku ndla 100 rand a day u fila ku some people they can't do it ku na vanhu va ngesa ku each and every day munhu package more than 20,000 or 50,000 each and every day it's normal and that's because mina ni swi koti ku ndla 20,000 la swi vula ku ri munhu loyi a tirhisa murhi kumbe munhu u khendlile wo tirha ku tirha mihleketo